TZ Laser was established in 2010. It is a professional enterprise engaged in the research and development, production and trade of beauty equipment. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We always implement the concept of creating value for customers, tailors products for customers, meets different needs of customers, and continuously provides solutions for customers. All of our products comply with domestic and international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in different markets throughout the world. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, America, and Asia. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, with excellent quality and services to meet customer demands. Quality First is, since its inception, has never changed commitment. It represents the pursuit of continuous progress. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We reward our clients with Excelsior attitude towards products and 24-hour online service. Customer satisfaction is our pursuit. We earnestly welcome new and old friends from all walks of life to visit our company, carrying out business negotiations, extending our mutual professional work, and striding towards our common prosperity and promising prospects.